Hello friends, welcome to Shades of Banaras. Today I am going to show you some pure Banarasi cotton silk handloom sarees. These are with contrast borders. 6 to 7 color options are available in this. I'll demonstrate few sarees with you. If you want to visit us, you can check the captions below for the address. All over gold zari booties are there. This is the brocade pallu and the border. This is the back side and this will be the blouse piece. It will come with contrast border and pallu. All over gold zari weaving. The back side. For contact at the below number, you can WhatsApp us or call us, and you can also visit our website www.shadesofbanaras.com for various collections and offers.